So we have here a mini PC called, what's his name? Kamrui. AMR5. This is dead. The customer described it, it's instantly shut down. So we're going to have a look. We have here two MOSFETs. Now the power is going up, passing the first MOSFET. We have 19, but not after the second MOSFET. After the second MOSFET, we have nothing. So let's check for short to see if there is short after the second MOSFET. And we'll do the beep first and we'll see. Okay, so we have short on the main power rail. Okay, and the short is about, wow, the short is very short. So it's almost 0 ohm. It's going to be rough to fix something like this because this is a really, really bad short. So I'm going to take it apart and I will get back to you after to inject voltage. We took the board out. That's how the board looked like. It wasn't easy to remove it, but it was not that bad. Now we're going to remove all these tape and we're going to inject voltage where on these two MOSFETs after the second MOSFETs. Still don't know exactly where this MOSFET is going, but we need to take it apart and we'll take it from there. We'll have to remove the heatsink, everything, and then we'll see what will happen. Okay, so we took the board out. I cannot see anything burned yet on the board. And yeah, so we're going to follow up these two MOSFETs and try to inject power to it and hope for the best. I think it's going here. It's hard to know where this is going, but we're going to figure it out. Let's see if this is shorted. No, this is not the main. Let's see, where's the main? This is not the main. So we need to find the capacitor that is shorted and to find the main power, but I can't seem to even find it. That's this one. Maybe here. No, this is the output. Probably this one. No? No? Yeah. Okay, so this is the main power. So we know that this is the main power. So we'll find, I think I'm going to inject directly to the first MOSFET. And basically that's about it. That's what can be done here. I will set up the injection tool. And I will get back to you. So, we are going to solder wire, get the thermal camera, and inject voltage here. And see if that can be solved. Let's see if we can do it. Let's put this here, put a little bit flux, and let me see again, where is it? So we're going to put it here. It's tight, but it's doable. Okay, now we're going to put the cable in, and solder the cable. And we got it. Now we're going to bring the camera and inject voltage, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so we're going to inject voltage, and we're going to see what is getting hot. We're injecting only 2 volts, and yeah, 2 amp should be enough. Okay, so it's taking only 1 amp. We need to find a solid ground here. This one seems to be good. Yeah. We have a ground. It's taking 1.3 amp. Let's see if we can see anything. Yeah, something here. What is this? Okay, let's raise the current a little bit. of the voltage because it's 19 volt. There's no problem with it. And we have 1.4 amp. What is getting hot here? One of these cups. Yeah, one of these little cups is getting slightly hot. We'll check on the other side of the board to make sure that the problem is not on the other side. No. So there's nothing on this side. So it must be one of these capacitors. Now let's try to mark it. And which one is it? Okay, so it's here. One of these. So one of these two. Okay, we'll have a look under the mic and we'll take it from there. We'll see what's going on under the mic. We're going to replace the cap and see if that will solve the problem. Let me go to the mic and see what's going on. Okay, let's see if you can see any one of these cups, which one it is. No, they all look good. So let me turn on the camera so we'll be able to see. Sure. I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol and inject a little bit of voltage and see which cap is getting dry. Where is it? It's this one. Give me a minute. Let's put the camera. Switch the camera. And yeah, one of these caps in this line. So let's put a little bit of alcohol. Give me a little bit of alcohol and we'll inject voltage and see which cup is getting dry first. This way we will be able to know which one is getting hot. So let's connect again the ground. We connect the solid ground again here, I think. Yep, this is a good ground. And we're going to put it under the mic. Hopefully we'll be able to see which one it is. Now let's see which one is drying. Which one is drying? It's hard to know. I think the one in the middle. I can definitely feel heat here. I'm not sure if it's the first or the second one. Let me raise the current a little bit. Let me raise the current a little bit. Okay, 3 volt, we're going to put 3 volt, 4 volt here. This will make it easier to find it. It's the main power and there's no short on the CPU, so let's go here. Which one is it? It's picking amps, yeah. But we still can't determine which one it is. The cam is saying that it's here. Okay, we'll raise the current a little bit more. I'm going to go with 5 volt, 4 amp. Okay, let's see now. We will have something more accurate. Yeah, the first one is dry, you see? This one. The first cap is, oh, it's boiling. So it is the first cap. You see when I put the alcohol? This cap is dry. Okay, we're going to replace this cap and we're going to test to see if that will solve the problem. We'll get back to you soon. So we're going to remove this cap that we found shorted and see if the short is gone, and we'll see if the computer will work again. Let's see, I think 400 is okay. Let me get the nozzle. This board is taking a lot, sucking the heat. You warm it up a bit. Let's see if the short is gone. Let's test and see if the short is gone and if the PC will work after. Let's see. Yeah, short is gone. Short is gone. So we're going to assemble the PC back and we're going to test it and see if it's working. Thank you. We replaced the capacitor, but it's still not powering on. As you can see, it's not taking power. So there's no more short. We checked already. And now we're going to come with 19 volt, bypassing the second MOSFET. And as you can see, it's taking power and there is light. Look, there is light. So my assumption is, from what I can see, the gate is shorted on this MOSFET. We are going to replace this MOSFET and we're going to check it again. Sometimes we have more than one problem, unfortunately. So we're going to take it apart and replace the MOSFET and get back to you again. Okay, we're going to replace, or maybe just bypass this MOSFET. And we'll take it from there. MOSFET is out. We're going to just replace it and that's it. And we'll get back to you. So we replaced the MOSFET and now let's see if this will power on and if we will have access to the BIOS. Let's see now. Let's see if it turns on. It is turning on. Let's see if we have picture. Let's see if we have picture. We don't have picture. Yes, we do. Yeah, we have picture. We fixed it. We fixed the dead motherboard in this, what it's called, Kamrui Model Amr5. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you need a repair, you are always welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.